we have to be very particular about how to introduce the women's basketball force. If you miss this, it might not recover. And Dino made a great point, and he'll speak on it a bit.
Yes, please.
Now we have to market this the right way, and first impressions last. And yeah.
Well, take note whatever the WNBA is right now, it wasn't like that when it started.
Yes.
Back in the 1996 or 1998. It wasn't even making money.
And the salary caps were just so low, right?
Mababa yung number one. I mean, malaki na yung sahod ng WNBA players compared sa atin, sa women's basketball natin. Pero compared sa mga WNBA players, malaki. Diba? That's what they're clamoring for. They want a higher salary, mga WNBA players. But they were being subsidized by the NBA.
Yeah.
So, for this league, diba, probably the expectations, we're not trying to make it as big as the WNBA. But I think yung challenge dito is how do you package the league itself to make people watch and catch people's attention.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And so there's three big questions for me. By looking at they launched Sunday. Nag-opening sila Sunday, they played 3 games. And then sa UST, sa court ng UST. And then nung Wednesday, naglaro sila ng 3 games also sa Inares Pasig, kung di ako nagkakamali. Now, there's 3 questions for me for this league. Kasi sa akin, hindi pa ako sold eh. Like, from my perspective, working in sports, I'm still a wait and see how this can go for the long run. So my 3 questions is, how will they be able to sustain this? How will they package and market the league? And what's their long-term plan? Some things I noticed kasi from the league is, di ba, nag-announce na sila ng teams, nag-start na sila ng tournament, there's still no full league schedule, hindi pa nare-release wala pa sila yung, parang by game day lang sila nagre-release ng schedule. So that's one, parang for me, that's one red flag. Number 2, execution isn't as crisp as I'd expect from a league like this, especially supported siya ni Manny Pacquiao. And it felt like short lang yung preparation time nila for this, from announcing the league all the way to opening. Kasi I can see it from how they're packaging the league. And interestingly, hindi ko nababanggitin, they have certain brand partnerships that I feel like isn't a match or isn't aligned with...
Banggitin mo na!
Hindi! Isn't aligned...
Sabi ko sino?
Isn't aligned...
Bakit hindi aligned?
Sa akin, tignan nyo na lang yung social media. Meron isang brand partnership dyan na hindi aligned sa demographics ng league na yan. Hindi ko nababanggitin ko anong brand na yan, pero kilala niyan lang lahat ng tao.
But